Morning, everybody. Welcome to another daily market report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Wednesday, July 26th. Instead of calling it hump day today, we'll call it Fed day. So today is the kind of the big day this week with the FOMC meeting wrapping up, and they will be giving their announcement basically about another hour, which will be 11 o'clock Pacific Standard Time here on the West Coast, 2 o'clock East Coast time. They don't expect any rate hikes, so that's the first thing. But what they're looking at is basically any clues of any talk about future rate hikes, or more specifically, they're going to be looking at a timeline of the balance sheet that they're going to start unwinding down the balance sheet. So there's about $4.5 trillion they're going to probably start selling off here that they've been accumulating over the years for the quantitative easing. And now they're going to start selling instead of buying. A lot of projections are kind of saying that they think that will probably happen in around September timeframe. So by the next meeting, we'll probably hear that they're going to start a plan for it. But they want to look for any clues as to when that might take place. So that's kind of his FOMC announcement. Also today, we had the new home sales for the month of June. So in May, we had a 605,000 new home sales. Forecast for June was 614. It came at 610. So still an improvement. We went up about 0.8%, which is a good number here. Obviously, new home sales is helping out, especially with the lack of inventory we've been experiencing. So new homes has helped kind of filling a little bit of a hole there as well. Currently, the stock market is up. A lot of it, of course, is we're getting some more strong earnings. Yesterday, we had some strong earnings reports come in. Today is no different. We're getting some strong earnings reports there. We're starting to see oil creep up a little bit as a result as well. We also have the Treasury Yields, which has been kind of hurting the bonds yesterday. If you didn't follow on Twitter, the Treasury Yields went up. So they went from like on Monday at 2.22 all the way up to about 2.33, and that's been pulling away from the mortgage bank securities. Oops, excuse me about that. There we go. Here we are. Basically, as you saw, we had a pretty big drop here. We dropped a little over 30 basis points. As you saw, we were even worse than that and pulled back. Just above the 100-day moving average. We did touch off of it today. We did yesterday, and we touched off it again today. Right now, we're about zero, basically, meaning that we're same as where we left off yesterday. Now, again, we got the Fed FOMC announcement coming up later today. That could definitely drive the markets, depending what is written on there and how the investors interpret it. We also got some Treasury sales. That 5-year notes will be up for sale in a couple hours as well. That could also affect the market as well, if it's a positive or negative market for Treasury sales. So stay tuned. Again, it could be a wild ride today as we prepare for the FOMC statement. Again, they're looking mostly for the balance sheet information on that. They don't really project any interest rates coming forward right now, as things been a little bit stagnant, but we'll have to kind of wait and see as to if they give any more clues about another possible one this year or not. So again, rates are about the same as where we left off. We did have a price for the worst yesterday, as prices did deteriorate since when we did this yesterday. All right, so that pretty much concludes it, but I would definitely come over to Twitter today if you're really interested in gathering more information, especially about the FOMC, any statements and stuff. Come over to Mike Bjork. I will be posting more stuff about that later today, and you'll get more information throughout the day on Twitter at Mike Bjork. All right, folks, that pretty much concludes it. Also, if you guys are in need of any mortgages, I can help you out with that. So just feel free to reach me on via email. I do refinances as well as purchases. We help people get pre-approved. We actually will even send it to our underwriting, so you get a full underwriting approval. So that way, when you submit to your offer, you have a full underwriting approval, and we can close much quicker that way as a result. And actually, will make your offer that much stronger, so that way you can show the seller that, yes, your file has been reviewed by an underwriter. All right, folks, have a wonderful day. See you guys tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.